Good afternoon, everybody. It's Wayne with Bunch of Travel, and man, we're excited. It's cruise week. Today's Monday. We leave tomorrow morning to head to Galveston, meet up with some friends that are already there, and we board the Regal Princess on Wednesday. We are excited. It's a 4-day cruise down to Cozumel and back, but just a perfect little getaway without the kids. So just wanted to go over a couple things about packing and some tips that you can do and some essentials that we bring on a cruise. So we have our packing cubes right here. Everything's packed. Got some more packing cubes. Got a nice little shoe bag. Keep your dress shoes nice and clean and keep your shoes from getting things dirty. So yeah, my stuff's on this side. Wife's stuff's on this side. We're all packed, ready to go. Just got a few little items, toiletry wise, to put in, and we will be ready to go. So let's talk about real quick some of our essentials that we like to bring on a cruise. Now, some of these are not every cruise line approved, so don't take this as the Bible. So with Princess, these handy dandy things are still allowed, as long as it's not a surge protector. It's got a couple extra plugs here, got some extra plugs on the side, and you got some USBs. Perfect for when you have a lot of electronics going on like we do. Got the GoPro, got the phones, got the laptop, all kinds of other things. Everything needs space these days, and most of it USB space. So get you one of these. It's cruise rated. Check out your cruise line though. You can't bring these on Disney, can't bring these on a Royal Caribbean, or I believe Celebrity, but Princess you can still bring them. So this is a lifesaver. Along that, these are approved on every cruise line because it's not an extra plug. So it's just a USB brick. You can plug up to 4 USB A's in here and help give you more USB space. Luggage tags. Perfect. You can buy these on Amazon. It's got the little metal clip right here. It screws in. You don't have to staple your luggage tags anymore onto your luggage and then they come off. This right here, it's permanent, waterproof. Don't have to worry about it coming off. This cruise, we are sailing in an interior cabin because it was a casino offer. We did bid on another cabin, but we're not successful. So we got a little light right here. You can put it on auto or all the way on. So auto, it's got this little motion sensor right here. Just whenever you get up in the middle of the night, it lights up a little bit to where you don't stub your toe on the bed as you're going to the restroom in the middle of the night. A couple of things right here. Bonine for the wife. For those of you who get low motion sickness, perfect lifesaver right there. For the restroom on your cruise, Poo-Pourri. Use it, love it. Your cabin mate will love you for it. Poo-Pourri. Let's see here. A Tide to Go pen for, when you have that little messy time in the dining room or in the buffet. You get that nice little stain on your favorite shirt. Tide to Go. Let's see here. This right here is another way to give you more outlets. It is a adapter for international plugs. So you can get yourself one of these, you plug it into the European plug on the ship, and now you have another spot right here, and then you have some USBs. So another way to get some more power strip capacity and some more USBs, because everything nowadays runs on USB. Magnetic hooks, must need in a cruise cabin. Hang your lanyards, hang your hats, sunglasses, backpacks, things like that. The walls, the doors, and the ceilings are metal. They will stick. And let's see what else we got in here. Passports. We got our passport holders. We use our passports for our identification on the ship, just in case you're in a foreign port. This is must need. So passports. And then our final is our medallions, because we're on Princess. We don't have key cards. These get shipped to your house. You go online on the app and you get them shipped to your house, and they'll usually ship about 15 to 20 days before your cruise comes into your house. It makes everything so much easier once you get to the port. If you have those shipped to you and you do everything in the app as far as your checking in, putting everything in there for the safety documents, security documents, everything that Princess needs for you, then that puts you into the green lane, which means you get on the ship faster. If you don't get them shipped to you, don't worry. You'll still get on there in the fun. Your medallions will be waiting for you at the port, and just take you a short little time longer than would be if you were in the green lane. So we can't wait. We're so excited. It's going to be great. It's going to be a fun content week. We're going to have loads of content from the ship. We're going to Iberostar in Cozumel for a beach day. It's all-inclusive resort. We've got the day pass over there, so we're going to bring you some content specifically on that resort as well. So everybody have a great day, and we'll see you real soon.